Feel how soft they are? She's like, no, I'm done with that. Feel the duckling. Feel how soft. Feel how soft they are? Ducks are soft. What's next? The smooth cow. Is that a moo cow? That's a moo. Moo.
She's like, what's next? Oh God.
It's okay. It's okay. Come here.
He's afraid of the gorilla at the
What's the
end.
matter? Oh, you don't you
Okay,
like the...
feel the bunny. It's okay.
Feel the bunny.
She's like, okay, I will. She's like, I like the bunny.
I know there's gorillas
Yes.
in there somewhere.
She's like, what?
With the ducks. They're so nice. And the moo cow. Moo.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
He doesn't like the gorilla.
You don't like the gorillas? Okay. What else do we have here? How about this one?